All right, Don, here you go. That's the transformer box, the converter box. The 110 gets plugged in. This is the power cable, 12 volts. It's approximately 20 feet of cable, so you can mount that anywhere 20 feet about. I'll give you the instructions for the drill holes. I believe Home Depot is the closest one that you would have a pole. It's approximately 6 inches from the bottom. Gives you the instructions. Then you have the top hole or the middle hole for where the crossbar mounts to. That'll be that hole. And then the top hole for the bell for the wiring. I believe the Home Depot one has this weird clamp type at the top or the bottom, you consider. You need to cut that off. That's in the paperwork I'm going to send you. There's your base. The base, how to mount it, just like it shows here. I got a video I'll send you. Very simple. Just make sure you do it slow. Take your time when you mount it, but remove it off the plywood and then mount it, and then you can mount it back on the plywood. But like it says, use bricks or sandbags, preferably sandbags, to make sure you hold it so if somebody hits it, it doesn't knock over. Make sure you do not connect the connectors on until you run it to the pole. Once you run it to the pole, then you can put the two connectors on. Because if you try to do it before that, you're going to have an issue. Once you do that, you can just run the two wires through the pole. Very simple. It's not that difficult to get them through, and made the housing, that's the way they are. All the electrical components are in the housings assembly. This is our new crossbuck clamping system, so you don't have to worry about, we used to use nuts, now we're using fasteners. So you can put the assembly together like this, mount it to the pole, or put the clamps on, mount the sign to the pole. It's easier probably doing it like this. This is the wireless remote. I'll give you an extra one. Green is on, and then the red is for the bell. No. Red is for the bell. Shut the green back off, shuts both of them off, or hit the red again, shuts the bell off. We'll get it out to you. Send some pictures and videos. We'd appreciate it.